Hello, everyone. Welcome to this edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Take a look at Roku, guys. Now, if you're wondering where I saw Roku, well, we saw Roku in the pre-market. One of my scans, the pre-market active is up. This is an earnings play. There were many earnings plays, but why I thought I want to draw this one to your attention. This is an earnings play for Roku this time. Here it was over here. This is back in July 31st, that week of July 31st. You can see that Roku almost got up to $100. But now this is the week, and I can tell you because we were watching this one on the day it had earnings, and it basically gave it all up. And look what happened afterwards and afterwards with a lot of stocks in the market. It just goes to show, though, you cannot look at, well, last time Roku had earnings, it was terrible. Doesn't matter. You know, every time a company releases earnings, we really don't know what to expect. Now, this to me, this is one day. This is one day. I know it's a weekly chart, but this is really one day. And you know, for a stock with 123 million in the float to be up 32% is pretty amazing. And this has room. I mean, look at the weekly chart. I mean, this could get back up to the 88.50s. I'm not saying today, but maybe over the next little whiles. As long as the market remains the way it is, which is absolutely insane. The SPY recovered the 200-day moving average of 423 like nothing. It got down to 409, and then over the last 5 days, it is just powered forward. But anyway, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Past earnings do not necessarily have any bearing on future earnings. And everybody, I'm sure, thought, Roku, what's it going to do? And look what it did today. Okay, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.